initial circle of where the entire set of stairs is going to be. Now, you don't even need to use a spiral line segment for this. You can use any line segment to create the stairs that I'm going to show you. But here, since it's a set of spiral stairs, I'll go to a circle. We'll plug in the point into the plane input. I do like to route it through an empty point component. So this way we can change that location if we need to. Now let's pick a radius. So I'll go here to 48. And if you've seen the last tutorial, you'll see that some of the steps that I'm going over here, I've already gone through, but for creating a spiral pattern, which is a little bit different. Now we're going to move this point in either X, Y, or in any direction. But what I'll do here is I'll move it in the X direction. So you'll see here, we'll bring in the move component, move the point in the X direction, using the same input as the circle. Now we're going to be creating the circle array. We can do that using polar array, but I like to use the series component. This way we have a little bit of control and we can learn how to use this for other designs. Now, what we need to do is